20-mile-an-hour zone. Fucking walk quicker. Right, well hopefully this is recording me, and it's recording me via the Cardo Connect app. I tested it in the house and it did record me as clear as anything. Obviously now we're moving, we've got other noises, we've got wind and engine, so we're going to have to see what it's like. I've also got the Mic 2 running as a bit of a backup, and that's recording to this, the Action 5 Pro. I've turned the filter off on the Mic 2 as well. Although it does a brilliant job, it does it a little bit too well. We were finding that the engine noise in the background was it was almost echoey. So I want to turn the filter off, and I've also turned it off for the Cardo as well. So the Cardo should be picking up everything. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to whip down to West Bay. I've got another sticker to add to the vlogger's cabinet down there. I've got Howie's come through this morning. Howie's Zevon? Sound like Somerset. 702. Here we go, look, I've been stopped, 30 seconds? And the glasses are off already. Oh, I'll zoom that up a bit. Now I've put that muck off anti-fog on the glasses again, just to see how it does today. Now what I've done differently today, I've sprayed it on and left it on for a lot longer, just to see whether that makes a difference. But I think, I've got to be honest, that's the visor down. And it's starting already, so no, it's not really going to make any difference at all. I've ordered some anti-fog spray from Temu, so we'll have a look at that and see how that does. You might have seen in the last video when I was faffing around with this Cardo app trying to get it to record. It was recording fine until I turned the bike on. And then this bloody thing snatched the connection. And certainly looking at comments from other people, it seems to be quite a common thing with this TFT. You either run everything through the TFT, or you have nothing through the TFT. It doesn't seem to want to play with anything nicely. Also, preload. I've changed the preload. I was bitching about that last time as well. I've changed the preload to maximum. See if it'll cope with my weight a bit better. I'm going to get rid of you because you'll get on my wick. People that piss off in the pubs all afternoon. It's a Honda Jazz, scourge of the roads. The observant ones amongst you may or may not have noticed I've got handguard extensions on. Try to keep the cold air and the rain off of my hands a bit more. I was certainly getting conflicting opinions on these Road 6s. A lot of people saying they're pants, equally as many saying they're brilliant. So I presume it's down to your riding style, and then maybe it's also down to the bike. So another one. Look at that, didn't even fucking nod to another GS, did he? this is handling better. I'm going to change that back to auto on the way back and give it some beans. Oh, you. So, a little update. A couple of days ago, I got a notification. I went to post a comment on another video, and I've got a what do you call it? A pop-up window popped up and said that I may have breached YouTube community guidelines, and they were going to restrict me posting for 24 hours. Didn't tell me what comment. It wasn't the one I was posting. Didn't tell me what comment was allegedly offensive in some way, and it didn't have anything on there where you could appeal it, query it, or anything. And I thought, okay, I've obviously posted something sometime. I couldn't remember anything, and I could post again after about 6 hours. Then the next thing, I'm posting away happily for a couple of days, and then today, ping, it pops up again. You may have violated YouTube community guidelines. And the one it was saying that I may have violated was harassment or cyberbullying. Again, didn't tell me what comment or when it was posted, and no chance of querying it with them. So anyway, I hit the feedback button and I've sent them. I've told them that I've been getting these messages. Would they care to explain why and point out which comment was allegedly offensive? I've yet to hear back from them, but as it is at the moment, I can't post on other people's videos, can't comment rather on other people's videos for another 11 hours. So it seems to me like they slap your wrist even before you're guilty of anything, because it say I may have violated, not I have, I may. So YouTube, sort your shit out. As far as I can read in the policy that they alleged I violated, if somebody decides that they're going to report one of your posts, YouTube then stop you posting. Now it may be that they stop you posting until they've had a chance to look at your post, and then they decide no, it's not offensive, so they then lift that restriction. So I don't know. It's baffled the heck out of me. I certainly haven't posted anything that's crossed any lines or a bit near the knuckle. I certainly wouldn't call it cyberbullying. We'll have to wait and see, because at the moment I'm baffled. A few more down here today. Squeeze on through there, bud, please. Cheers. Christmas tree's still up. Proper grom. There you go, Howie. Right, I have put the suspension back into auto for on the way back, and I am going to give it some beans and see what it handles like. It wasn't too bad on the way down here at all, but that was in maximum. Let's have a look then.